to do, huh? Okay, I'm getting the video set up. Hey guys, so we're doing like kind of slimes, and this is the one we just made right now. So put down. Now my sister's getting that set up for when I'm doing this. And now, this is all of our slimes we made.
Let me see. Crazy little girl.